Hi, we will learn how to work with website custom audience in this lecture. Let's start from scratch to create the pixel code and embedding it to your website. It's fairly easy to someone who is acquainted with HTML and FTP. However, if you are in doubt, you better give the code to someone who understands this to do it for you. So click on Website Convergence, type in the URL, click Create New Tracking Code and choose the category that you want. For this example, we'll choose Checkouts and give it the name. So we'll give it the name of Users Checkout. And then click on Creating Pixel. This is the code that Facebook generates for you to embed in your website. So copy this one and let's go and embed the code in your website. This is where you might need to get some developer help if you are not acquainted enough with code like HTML or PHP. However, if you are using WordPress, there is some plugin for that. We'll come to this shortly in this lecture. Copy the pixel code generated by Facebook for you. Open the page that you want to add the code to, and of course it is recommended that you add the code to all pages or to the header file if you use site includes. The code should look something like this. Look for the head closing tag. So here is the head closing tag, and here where I am going to paste my code that is generated by Facebook. And here is the code that is generated by Facebook. It says Facebook conversion code for users checkout. It's just JavaScript code, so never mind about it. Save, close, and upload to your website. Many of us have their websites based on CMS WordPress. There is a free plugin that can get you up and running in minutes. Briefly, go to the admin panel of your WordPress site and look for plugins on the left-hand side. Click on Add New and search for Facebook Pixel Convergence for WordPress. Click Install to install the plugin. So now you have installed the plugin that adds an empty box on any of your pages. However, the code is not installed yet, of course. So when you create a new page or edit an existing page, you will find the code box down there to paste your pixel code in it. Once done, click Update. Now we successfully installed the pixel code to the website. What's next? Here is a typical case. Suppose we want to create a campaign with a 50% discount offer, valid only for 2 days. And we want to target those who visited the site, navigated through, and selected the product they want, and reached to the checkout page. Then they left. These users definitely like the product you are offering, as they made their way all through to the checkout page. Probably it is the price that made them leave, right? Let's make a secret offer that is only tailored to those users. After all, we do not want those already customers who just bought the item for its full value to discover that they would have saved 50% if they waited on buying for a couple of days. This is where custom audience come to the game. So let's create a campaign for those customers. Go to Audience, click Create Audience and then Custom Audience. Then choose Custom Audience from your website. Give this list the name of Customers Diverged on Checkout. The default here is anyone who visited your website. No, this is not what we want, so we will select Custom Combination. Add the URL keyword of your checkout, /checkout. This way we created an audience of those who reached the checkout page, whether they completed the payment or not. So we need to exclude the already paid customers. So click on the exclusions and add the URL keyword of those who reached the success or the thank you page. Type in here the backward durations that you want to use or to track your customers. I personally use 15 to 30 days, but this is totally up to you. Then click Create Audience. So your audience is ready now. Now go ahead and create your ad. Click Website Conversions, type in the URL. It loads the pixel that has been installed on your website. Then click Continue. Then go ahead to the Custom Audience part and select the audience that we have just created, customers who have diverged on checkout.